Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best frog book bag for toddlers and young kids, the Naturally Kids Frog Backpack. If you're on the hunt for a charming, durable, and practical backpack for your little one, this product deserves your attention. Right from the start, the Naturally Kids Frog Backpack stands out with its adorable design. It features a plush frog toy that's not just cute but also removable, allowing kids to carry their little stuffed friend separately or use it as a playful companion on the go. The backpack itself is crafted with quality materials, ensuring it holds up to the rough and tumble of everyday use by toddlers and preschoolers. Sized perfectly for children between 2 and 5 years old, the backpack measures about 10 inches high, 8 inches wide, and 3 inches deep. This makes it compact enough for small kids to comfortably carry, while still offering enough space to hold essentials like snacks, toys, or a small water bottle. Its lightweight construction means it won't weigh down little shoulders, and the adjustable padded straps ensure a snug, comfortable fit that grows with your child. The design is both practical and child-friendly. The main compartment features a sturdy zipper that's easy for toddlers to open and close on their own, encouraging independence. There's even a small interior pocket where you can tuck away smaller items or important notes. On the outside, the plush frog sits in a special front pocket with secure Velcro straps to keep it in place but easily accessible. Safety and quality are key with Naturally Kids products, and this backpack is no exception. It meets U.S. child safety standards including ASTM, CPSIA, and CSPA, giving parents peace of mind about the materials and construction. The stitching and overall craftsmanship are solid, designed to last through outdoor adventures, daycare days, or travel. This backpack also serves as an excellent gift option. Its whimsical animal theme appeals to kids who love frogs and animals in general. It's perfect for birthdays, holidays, or even as a special surprise to brighten a child's day. The versatility of the removable stuffed toy adds an extra layer of fun and usability that many other backpacks lack. In summary, the Naturally Kids Frog Backpack combines adorable design with practical features tailored specifically for toddlers and young children. Its manageable size, comfortable straps, detachable plush toy, and safety certifications make it one of the best options available in the market for kids aged 2 to 5. Whether you want a reliable backpack for everyday use or a unique gift that's sure to delight, this frog-themed backpack ticks all the boxes. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're interested in this backpack or similar kids gear, check out the links below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more honest product reviews.